front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is open Gallery app and decide if you want to delete your photos from pictures or one of your albums. Let's start with albums. Hold one photo you want to delete, and to select multiple, click on this icon next to count at the top left corner. As you can see, now all 16 were successfully selected. To keep some of your photos, slide your finger across the ones you want to keep. So surface click, like that. Or click at the top left corner of a chosen one. To get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete them from pictures, hold one of them. And this time you can either hit all at the top left corner to select all of your photos, or click on those icons at the top left corners of chosen sections. For example, let's go with today and yesterday. Select photos you wanna keep and tap on delete at the bottom to delete the rest. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!